Morning, my baby, moso, moso. You were barking at my door, my baby. You're 6 months today. Oh my gosh. My baby, moso, moso. Okay, buddy, bye. Good morning, everyone. Today my little turned 6 months, and I'm gonna be making his mini cake, and it's my first time ever making it. So y'all gonna come with me, and we're gonna make it together. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be making my dog's cake because he turned 6 months. I'm gonna have my helper right here. What's your name? Araceli. And then I have all the ingredients right here. I'm also going to be putting it on the screen. So let's get started. We're going to start off with wet ingredients. I have honey. You're going to pour it?
Yeah.
Okay, pour it that way.
I almost made a straw. Like, because the way the family say, for long say,
Ay.
And I mean, and that's it. Like a.
And then we have peanut butter.
Peanut butter coming up.
You're silly. I'm going to get all the ingredients because it does get sticky at times.
Oh, let me go get some.
Here I have applesauce and pumpkin puree. I use a Skippy's brand because it doesn't have like a certain ingredient. That could be toxic to the dogs.
Yeah, because we have pumpkin in there, right? So just subscribe on the Instagram and it'll go on the videos.
Yeah.
Like,
and we're gonna add 1 egg.
One egg. Now we're going next.
Wait. And then the last wet ingredient is gonna be coconut oil, melted coconut oil. Get all of that in there.
Like slime thing.
And then now we are going to mix it. Let me mix it up, okay? And then you go. You mix it.
It's like pumpkin pie, like we're making it.
Let me put these.
Guys, look. This is
These in the sink.
that smells like peanut butter.
Just keep mixing it.
Is this going on Instagram?
No, it's going on YouTube. For real. And then we have our dry ingredients now. 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Just pour it in slowly.
Yeah, because we're going to see. Mix. I wonder what it's going to go like. So heavy when you make.
Got it? Okay, let me see. Yeah. And then we're going to pour the rest of this in there.
And we're going to smash it.
And then I have baking soda.
Baking soda.
Mix.
Yeah, and we have peanut butter up there, and we have something I don't know. Oil.
Okay, now we're gonna keep mixing.
Yeah, because you will not work.
And then I have a 6-inch pan. I put coconut oil around. Pour this in here. Now you wanna pour it? Take out the rest of this in here. Oh, my finger.
I used to like that before because
you can't lick this one. I mean, you could,
okay,
but I don't know how it's gonna taste.
Okay, but I'm not gonna lick it.
Let's try it together. We should try it. You wanna try it? Okay, I'll try it. This, mix it.
Try it.
I'll try it a little bit. That's like okay. Ready? I'm gonna mix it. It's quite sticky, actually.
About this.
No, but I'm gonna do it like this. Actually, gonna make a good amount for the 6-inch. I thought it was gonna be like a little bit more. So. Okay. Now let's pat it down. And go all the way around. And I preheat the oven for preheat the oven to 350, and I'm gonna leave it in there for like 25 or 30 minutes. Let's put it in the.
The oven is right over there.
Just do 25. You wanna try it? I'm scared.
How does it taste?
Like flour and pumpkin and coconut oil. While the cake is in the oven, I'm going to be making the frosting. So we're going to add 1/4 cup of peanut butter. Get all that peanut butter. Right there, I have the peanut butter in a bag so I could do the piping around the cake. Now we're gonna use 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. I use this one, make sure it is plain. 1/2 cup. Move that to the side. And then we're gonna do 1/2 of cream cheese. Make sure it is low fat cream cheese. I like for it to be room temperature so it's easier to work with. Move that to the side. You can mix it with this. You can also mix it with a whisk, but it's like very smooth. The consistency is very smooth. So with a spatula it's fine. Just keep mixing it. You know what? I am gonna change it to a whisk because there are little lumps, I believe, from the peanut butter, no, from the cream cheese. So I'm gonna keep on mixing that until it gets nice and smooth. If you don't have a whisk, you can also use a fork. So let's keep mixing that. So this is how you want it to look, nice and smooth. Honestly, it smells pretty good. Like a cream cheese peanut butter frosting. And then this looks like a very like nude-ish color, so I'm pretty sure you can add like food color into it if you want. It's up to you, but we're just gonna leave it like this. Okay, the cake came out, but it is still a little bit wet inside. You'll see it. So I'm gonna leave it in for another 5 minutes. Like I said, 25 or 30 minutes should work. So let's put this back in the oven. Okay, the cake is out of the oven now. I'm just gonna cut off the top part so it could be flat and even. Okay, so it should look something like this. So with the leftovers, since it is warm, I'm going to make little cakesicle snacks for him. So whenever he needs snack time or anything like that, I'll make it. I'm gonna put it in these molds. I got these on Amazon. Let's just put them in here. Some outfits. So this makes about 3 cakesicles. This is how it should look. And we're gonna pop them in the freezer for about 10 or 15 minutes. Time to frost the cake. What to do is put a little bit of the frosting on the bottom so it could hold better, and also flip the cake so it could be even more flat on top. So I moved the cake a little bit more up because I'm gonna be doing writing right here. So let's start frosting. I don't know how the consistency is gonna be since I've never worked with this type of frosting, I guess you could call it, right? Like this, and then we're gonna frost it. Move this out the way. It's a little liquidy, so I don't know if it being in the fridge, it will make like a difference. Like if it were to be buttercream, that's what I like to do. I like to make sure the buttercream when I do regular cakes is cold. A little bit more of the frosting on top, and then we're gonna make our way to the bottom. Making my way downtown, walking through. Oh no, stop right here. Let's do a little bit more frosty right here. Now let's get This little one it is a little runnier, so I don't know if it being in the fridge it will get a better consistency. It's my first time making a dog cake like this, so we learned something new, right? Finish frosting it. I'm just gonna fix it on top. It's okay, there's a little like cake showing because I'm fixing it. Okay, now I'm gonna pipe around the cake, but I'm gonna make sure the consistency of the peanut butter is good. Let's see. Okay, it's pretty good. It's a little thicker, so let's just do it. Wait, this is gonna be the front part. So let's go like that. I'm a little shaky right now. Like this way. There you go. Okay, I'm actually gonna redo that part, so let's take it off. Like that. Twist it. We're gonna do the same thing on the bottom part. The front, this will be the front. And take your time also. It might look a little rushed, but it all depends on how what's that word? Let me think of it. Like how much experience you have when it comes to piping. I'm still learning, so I'm just going, especially since the peanut butter is like, if you stop, I feel like it'll mess up, or maybe it's just the way I'm doing it. Like honestly, like I said, I'm still learning. This one's coming off. My first time piping ever with peanut butter too. You guys, this is so cute. Oh my god, this is so adorable. Now we're gonna write I think his name, or maybe I should draw a bone on top. I don't know, I'm gonna think about it. Okay, so I asked my sister what she thought, and she said to do this. So we're gonna do this now. We're gonna leave it and come this way. Wait, where's the front? This is gonna be the front, so we're gonna put it like this, and then another one like that. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. And then we're gonna write happy 6 months. I switched out the tip. Oh. Damn, I forgot. I thought I recorded that. I think I'm gonna switch. I think I'm gonna take that one off. I don't like how the 6 looks. Do like a curved 6. Oh no, that looks even worse. Oh. Okay, I did it. It looks kind of weird, like how y'all are seeing it, but I did it. And then happy 6 months. I'm gonna get a toothpick and fix that right now. Okay, you guys, this is how it turned out. Oh my god, that is so cute and funny. So cute. But yeah. Okay, everyone, that's gonna be all for this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Wait, what does it say like this?
Happy 6 months.
Hey, I want you to look up and smile. Look.
You ready, Mocho? Sit. Good boy. Sit on me. Sit on me. I was talking about earlier. Mocho, look. Manolo. He's still trying to figure out what it is.